Guys, and welcome to this new video. And today this is not gonna be a normal video that we do every single day. Okay, not every day we do videos, but whenever I upload the videos, the type of content that you get is gonna not be the same. So today what we are gonna be talking about is just a thought, an idea that came to my mind, and I was thinking for quite a while about it. Now, the reason for today's video is very simple. In short, if I need to say, I am gonna elaborate it out so that you can easily understand and the next segment, but don't worry about the things. So the in short, if I have to say, is that I am gonna change the whole channel name, and let me confirm you that it's gonna be really awesome because it's gonna be helping. So let me just change it, and the name that I am gonna give, it's very simple, yet it's really appealing. I felt it's really appealing because it's gonna be really awesome. Okay, so we need clarity. So we need clarity, and we need some real direction. So there in this whole world right now, because of social media, what's happening is very simple. See, suppose it's your smartphone up here, and you get lots and lots and lots of type of content that is just getting into your news feed or into your feed, that's just coming, okay, from different sources. So what's happening is very simple. Now, what can be done? So if I can get a thing that I really need, that is a specific type of content that I need, and I can just simply funnel it out. Okay, so let me just make a funnel. So from different directions, if I'm getting, I just need the quality information. So if I need the quality information, and if I have the questions, and I need the answers, if I can have a simple clarity, okay, simple clarity, wouldn't it be great? Yes, it would be. According to me, it would just be great. So I have made the name in such a way. So it's very simple. So what's happening is that now let me give you another example. This example is of, let's assume that you have thought of making some, what we say is passive income. Okay, so it's a very hyped up word, but does it work? Yes, it does work. So let's assume that you want some passive income. So what is passive income? It's multiple source of income, okay, and which is not related with your time or effort that you're giving. So we can say a passive income is something like a table. Okay, what happens is that, let's assume that you are working into a job. Okay, so you're working into a job and you try to maintain the, suppose here is a book up here, here is a book. Can you just keep a book on a stand? Yes, you can. But what if it just falls away? What's gonna happen is that the book is just gonna fall off, okay, onto the ground. But if you have different pillars up here, like 4 to 5 pillars up here, and if one of the pillars just goes away, or it just goes away, or it is simply not working, what happens is that other pillars are there so that you can be secure enough, right? Similarly, what I am going to give you is that different, for example, if you love woodworking, okay, if you love woodworking, you need certain amount of tools. So what can you do at that moment? You need some toolkit, right? So similarly, I have made the name very simple. It's really simple so that you can easily understand. The name of the channel would be clarity kit. Okay, and by this we will be able to go, and we will be able to spread the real informations, and we can simply declutter everything so that you get all the best. And just imagine, I was just curious when I was a teenager. I was really curious about the things that I never got answer. Sometimes I got some answers, and most of them, near about 80% of them, were simply trash, and I didn't like that. So what can we do is that if I had the questions that I had personally, the teachings that I got, the learnings that I have been through the journey that I have learned, if I can give that, and I can easily connect with the passion that you have, and you can easily connect with that, you will be able to grow. And I can see that more people would be following their passion. Okay, so now the main reason for opening the channel is very simple, as I have told you on the first video, and it was just an awesome idea that I had just kept my comfort zone away. Can we just say that it's a next level one, or it's a level 2 or step 2 that we are taking, so that we can go ahead and we can easily make history together? The thing is very simple. More interesting videos like these are going to be coming, so stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, because we are going to be talking about mostly niche based channels and how you can make niche based channel. Because just get this thing right, your niche based channel is not just a niche no face channel, it's much more bigger. And if you know how to play your cards right, it's a legit business that you can actually run without you being into it. That is, you're going to be running the business and you're going to be making a lot of monetary gains or capital. Not just that, but the main thing will be you can follow your passion whenever you want to wake up, whenever you want to go sleep, and whenever you want to work on your passion, on the things that interest you, or the things that makes you happy, would be really be done. Okay, so it's gonna be real simple. So let's see how these things go, and don't forget to share this thing, and don't forget to subscribe so that you get daily notifications. Okay, so that was all for today. See you again on another video. Thank you for watching.